Cookie. Oh, and here's Alan.
Hello.
And Alan's brother-in-law. Let's see him again. Oh,
And here's my niece.
Nice smile.
Sheva.
Uh-huh. Very nice.
And here are all three of us.
And here's Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Oh, that's very nice. Who took that picture?
Some dude
Some dude.
with a yarmulke on his head.
Cookie, what do you think about these pictures? Cookster, come here.
Oh, cool.
Sit. Good, sit. Good girl. Hello, dog. Say hi. Give me the paw. Give me the paw. Cookie, give me the paw.
Look, we can make a strange photo effect.
You don't look like your picture.
No.
Hi.
Please, no more pictures.
Okay. How about Cookie?
Cookie!
Cookie, do you want a treat?
How about Cookie standing on the box? I love that dog. Be a good friend and companion to Cookie.
Cookie, do you want a treat? Sit. Give me the paw. Give me the other paw. The other one. The other paw. She's like, just give me the treat. Okay, here you go. Mukso.